The wait is finally over. For more than a decade, the Huracán reigned supreme as the definitive V10 supercar. But today, a new era begins. This is the all-new 2026 Lamborghini Temerario. Purists might be mourning the loss of that legendary naturally aspirated V10. But Sant'Agata has a counter-argument that revs all the way to 10,000. It's sharper, faster, and arguably the most technically advanced supercar Lamborghini has ever built. Today, we're going to find out if the Temerario can truly fill the shoes of a legend. Engine and performance. Let's start with the heart of this beast. Lamborghini has officially transitioned from the V10 to a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 hybrid system. But don't let the word hybrid or downsizing fool you. This is the world's first production V8 engine capable of hitting a staggering 10,000 RPM. When you combine that high-revving internal combustion engine with 3 electric motors, you get a total output of 907 horsepower. The performance figures are nothing short of breathtaking. 0 to 60 in just 2.7 seconds, with a top speed exceeding 213 miles per hour. The power delivery is instantaneous thanks to the electric torque fill, and the sound, even without the V10, is a mechanical symphony that screams all the way to the red line. Exterior design and aerodynamics. Visually, the Temerario follows Lamborghini's essential and iconic design language. The front end features a sharp shark nose profile, highlighted by those signature hexagonal daytime running lights. These aren't just for style. They actually function as air intakes to help cool the massive braking system. As you move to the side, the aggressive air intakes and sculpted lines emphasize its aerodynamic efficiency. At the rear, the engine is partially exposed, giving it a raw, motorsport-inspired look. For those seeking even more edge, Lamborghini offers the Alleggerita package, which uses extensive carbon fiber to reduce weight and increase downforce by over 100%. It's a design that looks fast even when it's standing still. Interior and technology. Step inside and the feel-like-a-pilot philosophy is immediately apparent. The cabin is significantly more spacious than the Huracán, offering better headroom and legroom for taller drivers. The technology has seen a massive upgrade as well. You are greeted by a triple-screen layout, a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, an 8.4-inch central infotainment unit, and a dedicated 9.1-inch display for the passenger. The carbon fiber steering wheel puts every essential control at your fingertips, including the dial for 13 different driving modes. Whether you're navigating city streets in silent sitar mode or attacking a circuit in Corsa, the interior provides the perfect balance of luxury and racing focus. Verdict and closing. So is the 2026 Lamborghini Temerario a worthy successor? In a world moving rapidly toward full electrification, Lamborghini has managed to keep the soul of the supercar alive through clever hybridization. It is more powerful, more intelligent, and more capable than anything that came before it. While we will always miss the scream of the V10, the 10,000 RPM red line of this V8 proves that the future of performance is very bright and very loud. Does the tech make up for the loss of the V10, or is it a step in the wrong direction? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more high-performance automotive reviews. I'll see you in the next one.